Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, beautiful people. I'm so glad to connect to you today. I hope that internet connection would be good, so you could hear me, you could see me. It's not announced video. I just wanted to talk to you. It's been a while, and it's so good to feel that I'm back with you, and I have so many exciting things to share with you today. So, as you know, hi, Bria. Great to see you. Hi, Ruth. So, ladies, it's so good to know that I can offer you something that would be really valuable to you. And I decided, I know it's a very valuable training, but I decided to offer this training to you as a gift. Yes, I'm talking about Beginner Investor Bootcamp. So why I decided to offer this? You know what? Yesterday I saw a program where they were talking about experiment that they have in college. And in college, they decided to, hi, Wendy. They decided to give endowment money to their graduate students and let them invest this money for the college. So these kids deal with real money, and they have to invest in the stock market and make money for their college. And when they interviewed the students, they were so excited because for the first time they knew that they could do something with their knowledge about investing in the stock market. They can grow money for their college. And they said that it's a first real practical skill that they can use that they learn in college. And you know what? I know that most of us, including myself, did not learn this at school, did not learn this in most colleges. I was lucky because I just happened to work for financial industry companies, and that's where I learned how to invest money. But what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to level the field. So even if you have not learned this at school or in college or from some programs, I want to give you an opportunity to learn this. It's a skill set, to learn the skill set, to learn not just how to invest, but how to invest strategically. Because if you just put in money into something, whether it's a Bitcoin Cash, or gold, or anything else, if you don't know why you're putting this money there, for how much, for how long you want to keep this investment, how much you want to put in a particular investment, because it's important that you don't put all your money in one egg nest, right? So if you don't know that, then you're literally gambling with your money. And I know that, you know, nobody wants to gamble with money because the risk of losing it is very high. And that's why I decided to offer you this fairly short training and help you to see investing as a strategic move that you can take, that you can make with your money. Okay, so I just wanted you to know that what is the rationale behind my decision to offer this Beginner Investor Bootcamp. Because some of you may be invested in the past. So maybe you invested in options, maybe you invested in futures, maybe you invested in cryptocurrencies, maybe you invested in the stock market or real estate, and maybe it was not a success. And maybe you feel that, you know, it's too dangerous because there is a risk to lose money. And I can tell you that with any investment, there is a risk. But when you approach your investment strategically, when you know what is your risk tolerance and you act according to your risk tolerance, you decrease the risk that any investment is associated with. So that's what I want to talk about it. So anyway, this Beginner Investor Bootcamp will cover 8 guidelines for strategic investing. And yes, we're gonna go over, if you got my free Beginner Investor Toolkit, it does have these guidelines, but obviously in a live training, we're gonna go deeper. So we're gonna talk about why strategic investing is essential versus just investing, right? Why, when you don't know what you're doing, it's basically gambling. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the importance of knowing the purpose of your investing. We will talk about the importance of knowing your investment time horizon, and which financial instruments you have to use based on your time horizon. So it's such a big difference between just investing. It's like a black hole. You know, I heard a hot tip about investing in blockchain, or I heard hot tip about investing in I don't know, some gold miners, right? And then you just jump on this. It's a very, very different from trading, because investing is not trading. We're going to talk about this as well. So, and you will know what financial instruments you should consider for your strategic investing based on your financial goals, specific goals for particular investments, and based on your investment time horizon. And much, much more. I mean, I don't want to have this video too long, but it's going to be much more than that. So I hope that you will make time for this 10 days. It's only 10 days, guys. This gift that I'm offering you, because I want you to get a taste of how amazing the strategic investing can be. You don't need to be glued to the screen. You don't need to be worried about you know, ups and downs on the market, because that's what markets do. That's why some people make a lot of money using the variations on the market and fluctuations. But as a strategic investor, you will be able to know exactly what to do, and you will be able to sleep well at night. And that's what I want to share with you. That's what I was fortunate to learn about. So now, really quick, so you've got to register for this training. It starts on November 4th. The link is daretochange.com/beginner-investor-bootcamp. So please register for it, so you will receive the emails with assignments, etc. We're starting sharp at 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday. It would be every weekday. The training would be live in Wealth Building for Powerful Women group. So, you know, obviously, we all have to be part of this group. And I will offer this very valuable training as my gift, but there is a caveat. Every training will be available for 24 hours. So if you cannot make to the live training, you will be able to access recording. But this recording would be available in the group, Wealth Building for Powerful Women group, for 24 hours only, and then you will get the next recording, etc. Okay, so the best obviously would be if you could join each training live, ask questions, but if you cannot, the recording would be available. And it's important that you register for that, because I want to give you assignments every training day. And that's when the things will start moving for you, when you will start working on assignments, when you will start thinking about the vision that you have for investing your money, so your money starts working for you, guys. It's about time. I know we all work hard for the money that we earn, and it's about time that money starts working for you. And you know what? I meet so many successful professionals. Let me just talk about coaches. There are some successful coaches that make good money, but you know what? They don't have a financial net worth. Financial net worth, meaning assets that work for them. So they work their asshole, they work really hard to make good money, but then this money don't get invested in a way that will allow them to get income if for whatever reason they cannot work or don't want to work. So we're gonna focus on building your financial net worth. Okay, that's what strategic investing is about, and that's why I cannot wait to see you very soon on Monday at 3 p.m. in this group for the first training in the Beginner Investor Bootcamp. And that's all for this very short video. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for the privilege of your time, to your peace, power, and prosperity.